Hanoi, the heart of Vietnam. Chaotic, charming, and buzzing with energy. This place hits you all at once. The sounds, the smells, the scooters flying past you like you're in some sort of video game on hard mode, but somehow it works. It just all flows. We started our adventure in the old quarter, a maze of tight streets, tangled wires and food stalls in every corner. It's one of those places where you just walk with no plan, and every few steps there's something weird or wonderful happening. Egg coffee in a hidden little cafe, a woman balancing a full fruit on her head, a guy selling grilled corn next to a guy fixing your phone. It's all part of the rhythm here. When the sun goes down, Hanoi changes vibe. The streets fill with plastic stools, cold beer flows like water, and the air hums with that low-key, let's just have another one energy. We hit a few spots, cheap drinks, cool rooftops, and some strong as hell cocktails. The good kind of chaos. Even managed to cheer this guy in his car. Then came Train Street. You've probably seen this online, but trust me, no video does this justice, and how close the train really is. 1 minute you're sipping a drink in what feels like a quiet alley, the next people are yelling, chairs are flying, and boom, a train blasts by just inches from your face. It's insane. It shouldn't be a thing, but it's Hanoi. Of course it's a thing. We also checked out something a little more traditional, the famous water puppet show. It's a Vietnamese art form that dates back centuries, and yeah, it's a little quirky, but actually kind of mesmerizing. The puppets glide over the water telling stories of rural life and folklore. We didn't have a clue it was all in Vietnamese. However, the live music, the audience, made it truly worth an experience you have to visit. From the city chaos to something completely different, Ha Long Bay. We hopped on a luxury boat and sailed through this unreal landscape of limestones, cliffs, rising straight out of the sea. It's quite peaceful and honestly kind of magical. We kayaked through hidden caves, explored caves, chilled on the deck, and in our apartment, which was absolutely beautiful. Definitely worth a visit. But the real high point was the Ha Giang Loop. 4 days on a motorbike through Vietnam's wildest scenery. Sharp bends, crazy drop-offs, mountain views to make you stop every 5 minutes and just say wow. We rode through remote villages, waved at kids saying hello, and stayed with local families who fed us like royalty. It was insane. It was intense, beautiful, exhausting. One of my top trips ever. 100% recommended. Vietnam is definitely a top destination. One of places of magical wild cities and thrilling landscapes. Adventure around every corner. It's definitely worth visiting. I would visit again in a heartbeat. Someday I hope to again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below what your favourite part of Vietnam was, or if you intend to go to Vietnam. Let me know down below.